Is a Rolls-Royce truly worth the hype? Or is it an overindulgence that comes with a sky-high price tag? Could it be that these luxury vehicles, despite their grandeur, might not live up to the expectations? Stick around until the end of the video to uncover the surprising answer. But first, let's dive into what makes Rolls-Royce cars the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship. Imagine owning a car that represents the pinnacle of luxury, craftsmanship, and personalization. What makes these vehicles so iconic, and why are they a symbol of the unparalleled elegance? Stick around to uncover the fascinating details behind these masterpieces and their rich heritage. Rolls-Royce is globally recognized for producing some of the most luxurious cars in the world. Each vehicle is handcrafted to provide an experience that feels more like gliding than driving. These cars are more than just a means of transportation. They are a symbol of status, success, and sophistication. Unsurprisingly, owning a Rolls-Royce comes with a hefty price tag. The cost can skyrocket depending on customizations, which are virtually limitless. Let's delve into the world of Rolls-Royce's craftsmanship, personalization, and exclusivity to understand why these cars stand apart. Founded in 1904, Rolls-Royce has built its reputation on the principles of excellence and innovation. The brand's history is as impressive as its cars, with models that have been chosen by royalty, celebrities, and world leaders. Over the decades, Rolls-Royce has become synonymous with prestige and timeless elegance. The company's dedication to perfection ensures that each vehicle remains a testament to their storied legacy. One of the most remarkable aspects of Rolls-Royce is the level of personalization available to customers. No two cars are exactly alike, as each is tailored to reflect the owner's tastes and preferences. The customization process begins with a consultation, where clients work closely with a design team to create a car that is truly their own. One of the first steps in the customization journey is selecting the perfect color. Rolls-Royce offers an astounding palette of over 44,000 colors. Customers can bring in personal inspiration, whether it's the color of a favorite object, a memorable place, or even the unique shade of a pet's fur. This color becomes exclusive to the customer and is officially registered in their name. No one else can use it without their consent. The painting process itself is meticulous. Each car receives multiple layers of primer, base coat, and color, topped with protective clear coats. Some cars feature as many as 23 layers of coating, weighing approximately 45 kilograms. For clients seeking something truly extraordinary, Rolls-Royce offers unique options, such as infusing paint with crushed diamonds to achieve a sparkling effect. Another signature feature of Rolls-Royce vehicles is the hand-painted coach line, which runs along the car's exterior. This delicate stripe is applied freehand by a single artisan, ensuring unparalleled precision. The brushes used are made from natural squirrel hair to avoid leaving any visible brushstrokes. This level of craftsmanship exemplifies the attention to detail that goes into every Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce cars are instantly recognizable thanks to their distinctive design elements. The signature Pantheon grille, the self-riding wheel centers that keep the RR logo upright, and the Spirit of Ecstasy ornament are hallmarks of the brand's identity. Each of these features is meticulously crafted to uphold the brand's standards of luxury and exclusivity. The Spirit of Ecstasy in particular has a fascinating history. The iconic hood ornament has been a part of Rolls-Royce's identity since 1911. Customers can even personalize their Spirit of Ecstasy, choosing from different materials and even illuminated versions. Step inside a Rolls-Royce and you enter a sanctuary of comfort and tranquility. The interior is designed to provide the quietest ride possible. This is achieved through advanced soundproofing techniques, including the use of 300 pounds of acoustic insulation and specifically designed foam-filled tires that reduce road noise. The results are so effective that the company had to remove some soundproofing to avoid creating a sensory void for passengers. The dashboard in a Rolls-Royce is more than just a functional component. It's an artistic centerpiece. Customers can transform their dashboard into a bespoke art gallery, commissioning designs that range from intricate sculptures to unique materials like gold or crystal. One particular memorable design featured a gold-plated 3D printed replica of a customer's DNA profile. One of the most enchanting features of a Rolls-Royce interior is the Starlight headliner. This fiber optic ceiling recreates the night sky with hundreds or even thousands of tiny lights. Customers can personalize this feature to match specific constellations, include shooting stars, or even replicate the star pattern from a significant date, such as the night they were born. This intricate process can take up to 16 hours to complete and adds a magical touch to the car's interior. The level of craftsmanship in a Rolls-Royce is unparalleled. From the upholstery to the embroidery, every detail is meticulously executed. Customers can choose from a wide range of materials, including the finest leathers, rare woods, and custom fabrics. The embroidery work on the seats and headrests is entirely bespoke, with designs that reflect the customer's unique vision. One of the most complex projects completed by Rolls-Royce featured over 1 million stitches to create a stunning floral motif. While Rolls-Royce embraces tradition, it also integrates advanced technology into its cars. The infotainment systems are state-of-the-art, providing seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. However, these modern features are carefully integrated to preserve the timeless elegance of the interior design. The price of a Rolls-Royce goes far beyond the base model. Customizations, rare materials, and bespoke designs can add hundreds of thousands of dollars to the final cost. For example, the most expensive Rolls-Royce ever built, the Sweptail, cost an astonishing $13 million. This one-of-a-kind model was custom-built over 4 years to meet the owner's exact specifications. Even celebrities and public figures add their own touches to make their cars stand out. Drake, for instance, customized his Rolls-Royce Phantom with a diamond-encrusted emblem, bringing the total cost to nearly $1 million. These personal touches highlight the exclusivity and individuality that Rolls-Royce offers. Rolls-Royce has cemented its place in popular culture, appearing in movies, music videos, and even historical events. The brand's association with wealth and success makes it a symbol of aspiration. As the automotive industry moves toward sustainability, Rolls-Royce is not being left behind. The brand has introduced its first fully electric model, the Spectre, marking a new chapter in its history. This move aligns with the company's commitment to innovation while maintaining its core values of luxury and craftsmanship. Owning a Rolls-Royce is not just about having a car, it's about owning a piece of art. The unparalleled attention to detail, the limitless customization options, and the rich heritage make it a unique experience. Each Rolls-Royce is a reflection of the owner's personality and a testament to the brand's dedication to excellence. Now, is Rolls-Royce worth the hype? The answer is, it depends on what you value. If exclusivity, unmatched luxury, and personalization are what you're looking for, then it's hard to argue against the allure of a Rolls-Royce. But for some, the staggering cost and niche appeal might make it a less practical choice. What do you think? If you had the opportunity to create your dream car, what features would you include? Would you go for a custom paint job, a personalized interior, or a unique design element? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And that concludes our video showcasing the world of luxury. If you enjoyed this content, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.